Well, the new ball bowlers better really perform this morning. Most captains would have chosen to bat. This dusty surface will encourage the spinners later on, and when it does that, you get some uneven bounce. Hello there, welcome back. What a contest we've got here today. In the commentary box for you is Richie Beck. Adam Gilchrist takes guard.
Played into the gap.
Oh, he looks good when he hits down the ground. Very good.
That was 6 all the way. Tadic waiting at the striker's end.
No, the bowler won't be happy about that.
That was sheer power. Oh, that could be a very painful blow. The sweeper picks up. Looked as if he was home to me. That's 2 more runs on the board. That over helps the run rate somewhat.
The bowling side can now have up to 5 players outside the inner ring.
Gilchrist is now facing. Out, he's put him.
He has held onto a blinder out there. How gutted will the batsman be now? And facing is Ricky Ponting.
I think he'll be okay. It'll sting a bit though.
Fantastic shot there. And I think he knew it was 4 just as soon as he struck.
Ponting facing. They've turned that into 2. That's good running. Fielded by the man out long on. Hopeful shout. And the batsman was easily in. That's 2 more runs on the board. That was a very anxious moment for the batsman there. The batsmen changed their mind.
It's a good plan, this, by the batsmen. You can sense that they want to run the fielders ragged. Such pressure and mistakes will come.
Oh, big shout for that one.
Now, for all you youngsters out there, that is a perfect example of how to play the stroke.
Well, that isn't the place to bowl at this batsman.
well, everything was in the right place there, and it raced away to the boundary.
That's found the gap in the field. Wrecking straight.
And now the confidence is seeping through. He dispatched that with, well, with ease and grace. Yes, lovely stroke. What a beauty. And how would have he enjoyed that?
That has to be close. He didn't stray far from his crease, but that was all the keeper needed.
Oh, good stuff. He just had a split second to respond.
Martin waiting at the striker's end. Martin very quickly onto that one.
That's a good one. Well timed and four. Beautifully placed. Goodness, he's in good nick.
Fielded by the man out long on. Just one run.
What a terrific performance by the Australians in this limited overs match. They confirmed that they are the very best. They seem to have an answer in every department of the game. On behalf of Richie Bello and myself, Mark Nicholas, we bid you a good afternoon and look forward to bringing you more cricket.